In this video, I'm showing you how to install any third-party motion graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can download a lot of third-party motion graphics from different websites. After downloading that, this is the process you need to follow to install in Adobe Premiere Pro software. After opening the software, go to the Essential Graphics tab. If in case you are unable to find that, go to Windows on the top and enable the Essential Graphics from here. Make sure the tick mark is showing. This is what the Essential Graphics panel looks like. I already installed some third-party motion graphics here. To install more, click on the plus icon on the bottom side, then a window will pop up like this. From here, select the downloaded file and click on open. After that, nothing is shown, simply that tab is closed. Now, in the Essential Graphics panel, you can see the installed custom third-party motion graphics. So this is how you can add any third-party motion graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro software. I hope this information is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more video editing tips followed by gadget reviews, mobile reviews and more.